Right, here we go. I have risen! Good morning everyone, how are you doing? This is a video I've been wanting to try for a while now. Inspired by John Hill. He put Velcro on his skateboard and he put Velcro on the bottom of his shoes and he like went riding and it worked kinda, so I want to see if it's gonna work with a snowboard. So for that we need Velcro. And it's gone, alright, we have to go to Walmart and get it. So since we're basically a John Hill ripoff channel at the moment, we've come to Walmart to find the Velcro, and we got it. I hope this stuff kinda works because it's not cheap. For this experiment we'll be using Tyro's old snowboard, which Rakai kindly let me use. And I'm thinking we're gonna put Velcro over these holes and over these holes, so they're like bindings. This is the Velcro I got. It says it holds 10 pounds and it's industrial strength. The strongest Velcro they had at Walmart. This is kind of what I'm thinking right here. There we go, the whole thing's cut to shape now. Nice. Alright, let's do a little test run right now. I got my boots, and I'm gonna put the fluffy side of the Velcro on the bottom of my boots, and we're gonna see if I can like jump around.
Jump around! Jump up and get down!
The instructions said I have to wait 15 minutes for these to like fully set. Alright, here we go, the first test. So I could like jump and stuff. I couldn't really get onto the edge or anything. Whatever, let's give it a go anyway. Just got up Coffin Mountain. We're here with Dimitro.
What's going on?
And Olu.
What's up?
That's right, and we're gonna test out the Velcro board. What do you guys think of it?
It's super sick. Velcro on a board, who would have thought?
It's crazy.
We're gonna try ride this thing. We've come to the small park at Copper again. Just need to change the Velcro out. I had Velcro on it yesterday, but that's got all wet now. So as you can see on my other foot, got a plastic bag on it. Keep it dry for the walk up. There we go. Velcro board. As you can see, I added a leash. Bet people are wondering, why does this guy got plastic bags on his feet?
Olo, thoughts on this?
Hopefully it works.
I believe we have reached the point of drop-in. Alright everyone, this is going to be the first test. The Velcro shoes and Velcro snowboard. What kind of angle do I want?
I don't know. I think I have to like, try to go in front, or do you want me in front or behind?
No, I'm talking about my binding angle. Oh, we're in! Alright, are you ready? I'm just going to stand up and go.
Yeah, you got it. Oh my god!
Dang it, no! The Velcro came off.
Oh my god!
Damn it!
It's always the second try.
The first try was a fail, but we will try again. I think for the second go, we're gonna fully dry off my boots. I think that was the problem. And it says you have to wait 15 minutes for it to fully set. We're gonna dry them properly this time, because I don't think last time we dried them properly. Dang, it's so hot today, which is good because that means the boots will dry out quicker. So I'm letting them dry properly this time. We're not leaving today without giving this a red hot go. Dry yourselves, fool. I think I found the problem. I've discovered a lot of residue from the old Velcro I put on, so I'm peeling that off. So hopefully it bonds to the boots a lot better now.
Later.
They're as dry as they're ever gonna get, so it is time to reapply. Oh, there we go. The bondage is a lot better this time. That's some good bondage right there. Alright, and I'm gonna wait the full 15 minutes this time because I'm not playing. Olu's drying out his boots now because he wants to try the Velcro as well. Round two. Just put a... Leave your comments in the comment section below. Do you think it's gonna work? I think it's gonna be better. Hopefully it doesn't rip off. It feels like it's a lot stronger this time. Let's get it. One plastic bag. Two plastic bags. Here we go, round 2. 1 foot. On. Alright, here we go. I have risen!
I think it's on your feet. Oh! Oh!
No,
Whoa!
it's still on my feet though! Alright, maybe if I just jump onto it. Just keep holding it.
Yeah.
Alright, I think we're good.
You ready?
Yeah, let's go. No!
Oi, oi! Boy!
I really can't stand up and control it. Oh, that's so annoying. Alright, we'll give it one more go.
Alright, push down. You got it.
Ooh! It's just the edging problem. Oh, thank you. Right. Let's go. Yes! I'm gonna pass the board off to Olu now. See if he can make it work.
This is definitely gonna be a lot harder than it looks.
No, you'll be sweet. I was just making it look hard. Alright. You gonna try to take on the flat down? Right?
Hopefully.
Crazy. Mad lad. Oh! Yeah! Oh, what?
Oh!
No way!
I did not expect that to happen.
Yeah, boy!
That was crazy.
Conclusion time. Ollie managed to ride it really well. He managed to ride it a lot better than I thought he was going to do. Velcro and snowboard boots. Does it really work? It's not a very good substitute for bindings. That is the end of the Velcro part. If you guys want to keep watching, it goes on to my normal daily vlog because that's what I make here if this is your first time watching one of my videos. And we're going to go do some shredding.
Oh wait, oh my god, I just forgot a picture!
Back snowboarding again, it might seem. I think we're gonna do some park laps and have a good old jolly knee slapper of a time. Would you like to spit some knowledge about your Instagram name?
My Instagram name is DMYTRO_C. Or you can follow my photography Instagram if you like artsy stuff. I post some fire, I'm telling you. I'm not gonna lie. You know, just like these glasses I have on right now. Like, ooh, goddamn.
My Instagram is Olu_writes_goofy.
Yeah, hundreds on my bed, flexing with the bill. Roses in my wallet and I'm flexing it for real. Racks and racks and racks, I look like rookie of the year. Frontin' with the cash, it's getting moody over here. Hundreds on my bed, flexing with the bill. Roses in my wallet and I'm flexing it for real. Racks and racks and racks, I look like rookie of the year. Frontin' with the cash, it's getting moody over here. I'm on my bling bling song, yeah. I could do this all day long now. I don't know where I belong now. Tell me where it all went wrong now. Yeah. Oh no no, oh please don't go. I got shows, I'm on the road, I'm headed home. I'm where that at? I don't know, but all these flows make me mad. I got a cold, and what's my goal? To be or not to be, that to be. Making up my mind while I'm puffing on that doobie. When I'm on my own, can't stop thinking about my roomies. Please don't call my phone, can't you see I'm with the rubies? Ruby, Ruby, I got a brand new whip, red and gold, yeah. Hop up in that backseat out at foreign. Don't nobody try some things and call me your opponent. Got a bunch of commas, then I roll up with the Rolex. Yeah. Hundreds on my bed, sexing with the bill. Roses in my wallet and I'm flexing it for real. Racks and racks and racks, I look like rookie of the year. Frontin' with the cash, it's getting moody over here. Hundreds on my bed, sexing with the bill. Roses in my wallet and I'm flexing it for real. Racks and racks and racks, I look like rookie of the year. Frontin' with the cash, it's getting moody over here. Yeah, I'm licking at my lollipop, and my mama starting to ask me where my money from. And my papa, he gon' call me when that popo come. See me run up on that hill like I'm at Comic-Con. Ooh, when I'm sober, I don't wanna front. Ooh, I caught that polo right from Mama's son. Catching feelings like them buddies you read it on. Straight up off the plane, yeah, I'm running from Babylon. What you planning on? Yeah, hundreds on my bed, sexing with the bill. Roses in my wallet and I'm flexing it for real. Racks and racks and racks, I look like rookie of the year. Frontin' with the cash, it's getting moody over here. Hundreds on my bed, sexing with the bill. Roses in my wallet and I'm flexing it for real. Racks and racks and racks, I look like rookie of the year. Frontin' with the cash, it's getting moody over here.
So that is the end of the video, everyone. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Sadly, the Velcro snowboard didn't really work as good as I hoped it would work. Not all of these experiments will actually work, which is what kind of experiments are, you know? It's not knowing if it's gonna work and going and finding out if it works or not works. And today, it just happened to not work. That is 100% okay. Thank you so much to Dimitro and Olu for helping me out with this video and making that sick little edit you guys just saw. So make sure you go check them out on Instagram because yeah, they killed it. Thank you for watching this video. If you guys enjoyed it, please leave a thumbs up, subscribe if you feel like it, if you think this video deserves that. If you don't, please just don't do it. But other than that, I will catch you guys tomorrow because I make snowboard videos every day. Yeah.
Make sure to subscribe.